bbPress 2.0 is a plugin version of one's standalone forum system called bbPress that was made to be integratable and compatible with WordPress. But this old version was not maintained very well, and well, for a while it was not developed at all. But now with the bbPress plugin version, you are now able to bring in forums directly into WordPress, and it's made to be easy to use, and also it's easy to create a theme that is compatible to use bbPress. To start with the bbPress installation, you first need to install this plugin. You can add it directly into your WordPress installation by searching for a new plugin. And here you have the latest version available from a WordPress.org repository. We already have this plugin here, and now we only need to activate it. Once you activate the plugin, you will get 3 new top level menus: forums, topics, and replies. All 3 of them are created as post types, and for topics there is a taxonomy added called topic tags. Plugin adds 2 more panels that you can use. First one is Recount. It's in a tools submenu, in the tools menu, and it's used to recalculate all topics, posts, and everything else you have in your forum. And this is particularly useful if you need to import data from old plugin, from all the bbPress installation that is not a plugin version, and it's done from here. You only need to specify where the config file for the old bbPress was, and the plugin would install. Plugin would copy over all the data from the bbPress old installation into the new one. You need the full installation of old bbPress, not only a config file. Everything is needed, since this plugin will load parts of that old bbPress to make all this work. There is also added a new item in the settings menu. It's called forums, where you can find some basic settings for bbPress, and it's here. You have number of items per page, or control over RSS feed, control over favorite subscriptions, and slugs used to rewrite URLs for forum topics and forums. To be able to use bbPress, you need a compatible theme for this. It should work with most themes, but it's not that easy, because you cannot simply activate any theme and expect it to work, because it will not. The reason for that is that you need to copy over some of the templates file and make them compatible with the theme you use. Some themes that use similar page layout and similar template layout can be can do this easier than with the other themes, but most of the themes will require some modifications, and even maybe a full change of templates to make it work. With bbPress plugin, you have a default theme that is based on 2010 WordPress theme, and if you activate that one, you will be able to use it correctly with the 2010 theme. You can also use one of our xScape power themes, because xScape theme framework now fully supports bbPress, and all themes based on it will automatically get bbPress support if bbPress plugin is active. For now, let's see how and what we need to set up the bbPress to work. Everything starts with the forums. and you need to create at least one forum to start. Let's call this forum general. Here you have some attributes. You can create it as a forum or as a category. If it's created as a category, then no topics can be posted in it. It will be used as a way to categorize all other sub-forums inside. Status, it's obvious, open or closed, and if the forum is public, private or hidden. Since you have no forums, you cannot choose a parent at this time, and order is also not possible to set right now. But if we publish this one, you will see we have a first forum here, and we can add a sub forum. Let's call it announcements, and we will make it a part of general forum and publish. And here you go, we have two forums created in the system. If we go there, here you can see how the new forum page looks, and here you can see the main forums page, where you can see overview of all forums created. As you can see, subforums are displayed like this, and you have some two counters for topics and posts, and freshness is a column where you will see the latest reply in this forum. So far it looks very easy, and if you browse through all this, you will see there are no topics here, but you will be able to create a new topic. Let's do it something like this. You can add tags, and you can set if topic is sticky or super sticky. Some of these options, as ability to use HTML also, is reserved for some of the users. Also, only administrators or editors will be able to use topic types. You can also enable notification of follow-ups. Submit, and the new topic is created, and it looks like this. You have basic options here to edit, trash, close or merge topics, and you can set a topic as a favorite, and you can subscribe to a topic and receive updates when something is replied here. If you take a look now at the top and at the forums, you will see that last post was 1 minute ago. Something similar will be visible here. You will see list of topics in the forum, again a form to post a new topic. So far you didn't need to create anything additional for all this, because it will work if you have at least one forum. Everything will work automatically using archives for post type in WordPress. But still you are not able to see everything that bbPress does, because some of the bbPress features will require to use pages. But before proceeding to pages, let's see what about changing the theme. As you can see right now, we are using default 2010 theme. We are not using bbPress variation of it. And if we switch to 2011, this will continue to work. But as you can see, styling is already off, because this theme doesn't have the same styling as the 2010 that is used to base these default templates on. But in any case, it at least works, because 2011-2010 have a similar layout of the template files, but in most other cases this will not work that easily, and you will need to change the templates. Also, if you now try to add pages I talked about for some specific purposes, pages are added based on a template, and here you don't see any of the bbPress templates, because they are not part of the currently active 2011 theme. If you need to use these templates, you must copy them over and adjust to a new theme. So to see these templates, we will need to switch to 2010 bbPress version. And if we go to pages, adding a new page, and now you see several bbPress specific templates. First of all, you can start with create topic. This template is pretty much version of this thing here, but here you see that you can only select the topic title and what to post, because this is inside the actual forum. If you create topic page, let's call it that. Let's see. Here is create topic. You will get a bit different page that has selection of forum. So you can create a new topic, but you need to select the forum also. Then let's see what other templates we can use. Statistics template. Here it is. Will display basic forum statistics, including number of users, forums, topics, and things like that, and the list of popular topics in all the forums. Pretty basic template for this, but you can get a short overview of what's going on in the forum. We can add another page. You have pages for user registration, user lost password, and user login, where you will be what can be used for a new users to the website, so that they can create accounts and be able to use a forum. Also, you can create a few other pages like newest topics, for instance. Sorry, latest topics. Here it is, only a list of topics regardless of forum, but you will see the forum in the below the topic name. Well, we can go on and create more pages, but well, you can create whatever you need. If you don't need user registration and pages for that, you don't need to create them. If you want to see user profile, if you go there, you will see about page. This uses also custom rewriting within the Dev4Press to display the profile for a user, so you don't need actual templates created. They are provided with plugin also will need styling, and there is a useful edit option where you will be able to see and edit user data directly. But let's go back to pages. If you want to create some logical structure for your pages, I recommend starting with a page called forums. This page will be used, this page is important to use this index template, and into this page we will add all the other pages we created here. We'll add forums as a parent, and there you go. If we refresh now, you see forums, and we have all the sub forums created here. What else can you do? There are widgets added by the bbPress plugin, and you can use those widgets to display the list of forums as a first thing. We could name it forums, and we can add something like this. Topics, you can set this, and something like this. And here you have forums. Right now we have general forum as a top level forum. If we go inside, you'll still see that, and here you have the latest topic. For forums we can set a root forum to use. Let's see, for general that's post number 30 in our system. And now you have all subforums in the general forum here. You can play with this template, with these widgets. There are login widgets also, and you can set it up and use it. This view list topic displays some common filters for the forums and topics, like topics with no replies. There are a few others, but they will be visible once you have something to filter by. Right now we have only one topic, so there's not much use for that one. So that's some basic widgets you can use to set up a forum. If you want to administrate everything, you can do it from these forums, topics and replies panels. You see forums. For topics, you see all the topics created. You can work with them from here. You can select forum to move them into. You can see some info about the author, like IP address, and you can change the visibility or even delete the topic. So administration of topics and replies is pretty much the same as with WordPress posts, pages, or anything else built into WordPress. If we add reply, we can add some tags also. When added, tags are applied to the topic, not a reply. So practically I added several tags into the reply, but they will appear here as a part of a topic. And again, they will be available from the admin side. They are taxonomy, so you can edit them as categories or posts or post tags that are default taxonomies in WordPress. So this is very easy to do. Right now bbPress lacks some advanced features that you might need, but I expect that additional plugins will be available to add more features into it. But the good thing is that bbPress is kept simple, and it will be easy to expand, and it's a good idea to keep the core functionality of this plugin to a minimum without complicating it with too many features that most users will not need at all. Right now the core features are enough for most needs when the forums are concerned, but as I said, plugins will be expected soon for, I don't know, attachments or some other more advanced features. Final release is expected soon. Right now we have beta 2 version, and most likely the final will be released alongside with WordPress 3.2 at the end of June 2011. I have mentioned that xScape Power Themes support bbPress by default. So if you activate any of the bbPress themes, you will still retain all the bbPress features, but they will be adjusted to a particular theme. So you will be able to get the pretty much same look and feel as the rest of the theme, and still retain all the powerful features that xScape uses that allow you to change layouts of the pages and many other things. So let's see just quickly how that works. If we activate R8 theme, for instance, and if we refresh this page, we get the last page we were on, that's topic with no replies. Since we replied to the last topics, we don't have them anymore, but we can go here, and here you go. You see the forums are displayed as they supposed to be, and everything looks and feels as it should be. So you are able to simply switch to any of the xScape themes and get the same functionality. And let's see if we go and switch. Let's see first the styling. If we change styling for a theme to, let's say, green, there you go. It works as it should be, and you have a green color style. Right now, most of the styling used by xScape is based on bbPress default styling. It looks quite good with most themes if you adjust your styles properly to fit the theme, but default layouts are pretty good. But also with xScape there are some options to tweak for bbPress. So practically, as you can see here, this is the default layout for forums. But with xScape we can change this to something else, and we can remove, for instance, this freshness column if you don't need it. So do that, and it will change to display something like this. So practically you will get a more a bit different list, and we don't have freshness column anymore. More of such customizations will be added into the future releases of xScape, and it will allow better templates and more options to choose from. Right now we have a sidebar here. Let's see, this is a single forum template. And we can move sidebar to the other side. And let's open a forum template, and here you go. It switched sides. But if we go into the topics, we'll still get a default layout because we didn't change topics template. For topics template we can remove the sidebar. There you go.